not sell drugs, or I did not involved.
What?
Even I won't sell drugs.
The guy who stabbed me is in prison from last 4 years because he committed a crime. That is no relationship or
So
identity.
Raj Tarun also Raj Tarun is also committing crime now. Do you?
What
Yeah.
crime is
See, so your mom and dad will not fight, kya? You tell me. Will
If
no?
a lot of people
I'm generally
don't
asking.
get together and they get separated, it doesn't mean that you have to be with that person all your life. Even if you are
Who
your
said
male
that?
also.
I'm asking you. Your mom and dad will not fight, kya?
Everyone fights. But
Exactly.
if the other person doesn't want to be with you, then why you are forcing him?
Forcing him 10 years.
Yeah, so you have a lot of life pending.
Hello.
Not only those 10 years.
No. I know how to. I know how to make him turn towards me. It's not that I
Do
don't.
whatever
That's
you
what.
want.
Yeah, that's
I
what.
don't want to
That's
do
what.
anything.
That's
I'm
what.
just telling you.
See. That's what. It's not that I don't know.
See, I
Okay.
really don't know
So
what is going on between you guys. But
That's what.
being
At
a honest
least
person,
see.
I told him that talk to her. That's all I did. And I can't just force people to just be with you if they doesn't want to.
Yeah, now you're sleeping with him, no? That's the reason he will listen to you. If you say to unblock him, he'll unblock me. If you say to him, block me, block me. If you say leave her and come, he will. He has to.
He doesn't have his own brain. Do you think so?
Yeah, no. Abhi, if he has, then why will he listen to you?
Why do you think that he listens to me?
That's what you said.
Why do you think that?
That's what he
We
said.
spoke from last 8 months.
अम्मा तेरे पैर पकड़ते हमको छोड़ दो उसको छोड़ दो और एक लड़का को ढूंढ लो प्लीज फॉर गॉड सेक
See,
I'll set that's what even though you'll get incoming call block or whatever मैं रो रही हूँ ना see you will never grow in your career not just you any woman who'll do like this no they can never
See, I have not